Guten Tag. So, it's me again. Hier bin ich wieder. It's me again. Wir sind bei den Basics der deutschen Sprache. We still here talking about the basics of German language. Maybe you have already seen a video, but if not, it's no problem. You can also start with this video. So maybe you have noticed or you are aware that in a language there are always like round about 10 verbs, special verbs. They have a special meaning, a special function in a sentence. And I'm not talking about the verbs like sleeping, cooking, reading. No, because these verbs have a meaning, a concrete meaning. No, I'm talking about these verbs where they give a quality, another quality to the sentence, like must, can, may, have, to be. Just for you, by the way, we call it Modalverben, but just forget it. Vergiss es. It's not so important. But let's have a look. These 7, 8 important verbs, special verbs in German. You have one is können, can. The other one is wollen, want. Then there is one müssen, must. So, können, wollen, müssen. And there is one haben, to have. And the next one is sein, to be. Haben, sein. So, we're gonna repeat. I will do the movement and you try to remember the verb. Okay? The verb. Okay. Noch zwei, 2 more. Dürfen. This is to be allowed. Dürfen. And the last one. Mögen. Mögen. This is to like. I like. Mögen. So. Dürfen, mögen, können. Repeat. Wollen, müssen, sein, haben. Repeat, wiederholt. Okay, this one is only the basic form of this verb, wollen, können, so want, can, and so on. But now, if you want to transform it into I want, you have to change, because these verbs are often and in every language are irregular. So, let's start with können. Ich kann, du kannst, er kann. Wir können. We will do the form like ich, I, du, you, er is he, sie is she, and wir is we. The he and she is the same form, so to make it easier, I will use always the sie form today. Okay, sie. And but it's the same like for er, he. Okay. So, let's start. Ich kann, du kannst. And then I will say ich and you have to remember kann. And I will say du and you have to remember kannst. Okay? We talk about können. Let's start. Ich kann, du kannst. Ich. Du. Listen, please. Ich kann, du kannst. Sie kann, wir können. Und repeat, please. Ich. Du. Sie. Wir. The next one. Wollen. Ich will, du willst. Just finish my sentence. Ich, du, and listen, hör zu. Ich will, du willst, sie will, wir wollen, and finish it. Ich, du, sie, wir. What about können? The four forms. Ich, du, sie, wir. Do you remember it? Let's continue with haben. Haben, to have. Ich habe, du hast. And finish. Ich, du. Listen, bitte hört zu. Ich habe, du hast, sie hat, wir haben. And please finish. Ich, du, sie, wir. Fine. Let's continue with the word sein, to be. Ich bin, du bist, sie ist. And please finish. Ich, du, sie. Listen, bitte hört zu. Ich bin, du bist, sie ist. Wir sind. And finish, please. Ich, du, sie, wir. Okay, do you want more? We will continue with müssen, must. Okay. Ich muss, du musst, sie muss, wir müssen. Ich muss, du musst, sie muss, wir müssen. Okay, to try to finish. Ich, du, sie, wir. Then dürfen, to be allowed. This is special. Ich darf. Du darfst, sie darf. Can you finish, please? Ich, du, sie. And the wir form? Wir dürfen. So maybe you have noticed the wir form is like the basic form. So you have wollen, wir wollen. Können, wir können. Haben, wir haben. Müssen, wir müssen. Besides the sign to be, wir sind. Okay. So, dürfen. Wir dürfen. It's the same. Last one, mögen. Like. And this is a little bit with the R, like dürfen. Ich mag. Du magst, sie mag. Yeah? It's written with the G, but it's pronounced as it was a K. This is a phenomenon. German cannot pronounce a G, G, D, and B at the end of a word. And that's noun in the philology, in the linguistic terminology. There is a noun, there is a word for it. Yeah? So if you hear mag, it's pronounced as it was a K, but it's written as a G. Okay. Ich mag, du magst, sie mag, wir mögen. Can you please finish? Ich, du, sie, wir. That's it. Okay. So maybe you can remember we have können. Do you remember the four forms? Ich, du, sie, wir. Wollen. Müssen. Haben. Sein. Dürfen. Mögen. Okay, last exercise. Do you remember the verbs, the basic form of the verbs? What was this? Okay, das war's. That's it. Mehr habe ich nicht. I don't have anything more for you. I have more videos. Just click on them, and if you have any question, you want to tell me, you want to write me some feedback, I'm always curious what you want to know or which tips you have. Ciao, ciao. Schönen Tag euch. Bis dann. Ich muss jetzt essen.